In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create postcards with Microsoft Word. Postcards are a fun and creative way to send messages, invitations, or greetings, and using Word makes the process simple and accessible. With Word's built-in templates and customization tools, you can design professional-looking postcards without needing advanced design software. Whether you're creating holiday greetings, event invitations, or personalized notes, Word gives you all the tools to make your postcards visually appealing and unique. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer. From the Start screen, instead of selecting a blank document, go to the search bar at the top and type Postcard. Press Enter, and Word will display a variety of pre-designed postcard templates. Browse through the options until you find one that fits the style and purpose of your message. Once you find a template you like, click on it to preview the design, then select Create to open it as a new document. Once the template opens, you will see placeholders for text, images, and sometimes decorative elements. Begin by customizing the text areas. Click on each placeholder and replace the sample text with your own message. You can add a greeting, a short note, or details about an event. Word allows you to change fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment, so you can make the text stand out and match the style of your postcard. Next, update any images included in the template. Click on the placeholder images and select the option to replace them with your own photos from your computer. High-quality images can make your postcard look professional and visually engaging, so choose visuals that complement your message. You can also resize or reposition images as needed to create the perfect layout. If you want to further customize your postcard, you can use Word's drawing and shape tools to add borders, shapes, or icons. Adjusting colors, adding background designs, or incorporating your logo can help make your postcard unique and eye-catching. Once your design is complete, review the postcard carefully to ensure that all text and images are properly aligned and formatted. When you're satisfied, save your document. You can print the postcard on cardstock or send it digitally, depending on your preference. Creating postcards in Microsoft Word is an easy and fun way to produce personalized messages that look polished and professional. By using templates and customization options, you can create unique postcards that convey your message beautifully. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.